Hello guys, before you see this movie, I want to ask you about something. Right now I am finished with filming everything. Now I gonna rendering and stuff like this. But I watching my old videos and actually I want to make a gameplay from same shit what game, but I want to make gameplay to YouTube. So if you want some gameplay from the games, just write in the comment what game you want, and yeah, I hope we gonna have fun on my channel, and let's enjoy this video and have fun. Hello guys, it's me again. Long time no see, but yeah. Today I'm gonna make a little technical vlog, we can say. Today I changing my case from this old one to this one. So I have started with take out everything from my old case, and I just think to make video of this. So now you will see the time lapse of everything, and probably I gonna clean the graphic card, and if I gonna get the thermo stuff for the graphic and processor, I gonna change this too. If not, and yeah, enjoy the time lapse.